In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download eBay Desktop View Bot. What we're really covering here is how to download an open source desktop tool from GitHub that's described as an eBay View Bot, but should be approached as an SEO or account audit utility rather than anything meant to artificially manipulate views. That distinction matters because the safer use case is reviewing account performance, tracking pricing, and checking search placement in a legitimate way. To get started, open your web browser and go to the GitHub topic page for eBay ViewBot tools. This page usually groups together repositories related to that keyword, so you may see several different projects listed. Take a moment to scan the results carefully and focus on repositories that appear legitimate, well-labeled, and clearly documented. From there, look for a repository such as the one referenced in the instructions, which is presented as more of an SEO audit tool than a traffic manipulation tool. When you open the repository page, it's a good idea to quickly review the project description and README so you understand what the files are for before downloading anything. That helps you confirm you're getting the correct tool and not something unrelated. Once you're on the correct repository page, find the code button, click it, and in the menu that appears, choose Download Zip. This will download the repository files directly to your computer as a compressed folder, which is the easiest option if you just want the script files on your desktop without using Git. After the zip file finishes downloading, locate it in your Downloads folder and move it to your desktop if needed. You can then extract the folder to access the included files. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the tool files from GitHub to your desktop. As a final tip, always review open source files before running them, and make sure you're using tools like this in ways that comply with platform rules and safe account practices.